Okay, here's 100 YouTube topics if you are over 40. And this little PDF's only $7. But I mean, here's some great ideas right here. Navigating social media as a midlifer. That's a really good one. Mindful eating practices for better health. Yeah, I just ordered a gut supplement. Yeah. How to start a nonprofit organization. Life coaching tips for personal growth. If you're over 40, I'm sure you have some really good tips. Exploring the world of art and crafting. Time management tips for busy midlifers. That's really good. How to manage your time. Use your experience. How to host meaningful gatherings and events. That's really good too. Learning the basics of personal finance. Creating a balanced lifestyle. Finding love and connection in midlife. Okay, and that's just 10 of the 100 YouTube topics if you're over 40. You can download it. It's right now real inexpensive, so take a look.